e fetsa ra betha le pine nngwe from there ka thomo ba too much connected le R5 yeah ke ha ntse ya re ne mfana ke nyaka o tle mabopane wa bona o violent na o khono bona dindawo ene batho ba o itse ba itse le bitso le Animan mara
ba o itse wena yeah
la mathoma ntse ra tsena ka mo mabopane ka mo ko di socialeng wa itse
azanga uyiza ko mbari ko majingini nze nale teng khala majingini
bila o ka re ke ko
ya ka opula
wa yo
Kaleripusa re batla go tsena go pala kanela go bangena ke bona ba lo tsamba kuni na botisa Kaleripusa re batla go tsena go pala kanela go bangena ke bona ba lo tsamba kuni na botisa.
Hey Taraso, Sibundenge say here, Scamto Podcast, another episode of Scamto Podcast brought to you by Sly J Next Multimedia, where quality meets creativity. No, ga tseno bona go tshwaretse le parala game. Okay, especially tla ka mo bakhading. Wa bona tla ka mo bakhading ka mo. Ba re ho nya go utlwa di hit tse baya tse leng hore di editswe. O cheke Animan ba ra o tlo di kereya. No una le engwe ya shiana bjana. Bino 6 Bona le 6 le 7, 6 foot, 7 foot.
Yeah, 6 foot, 7 foot.
Go re ke boletse yona one.
Ke yona.
Flexem. That's it. Bona, machomi, o renda so.
Ke monate je.
O grand. Ha bona phelo le busy o robetse mara o robetse enough.
Tlama.
Yeah, why every day robala ka boshiu.
Yeah.
Na machomi also wheezing I get why ne. But for those ba long what about it? Actually camera ya how introduce yourself ba bolella rena le mang today from where?
Yeah, ba fetu ke Animan the guitar monna katara monna Sibeth hape. Wa itse. Ho ka utlwa fela ba ra wa Animan khopelo Sibeth hape. Wa itse re ke mfanola wa Pitori ke tlhakele ka mo pheli ka mo shaya bra.
Machomi direng eo ke bone tlhaka-tlhakantsha batho mona. So lwana ke stwaidi sa ha hore ho thoma o thoma o letsa before o thoma o dumbela pina o thoma o bolela ngwanyana ola kana reng
awa Animan khopelo Sibeth.
Sala o tlo re crowd o etsang e ngwana la sno bolela bjao
yeah
ke mangwanyana ola
ya dai cherry ke nonos
ke
wa go pheli as artist
yeah
ke ngwanyana go ka se fela but yena ke motho le reng o rata ke batho
yeah
o phela le busy mo ditrateng so le nna he ke mo kereya ke tlhakana lena
yeah
nna ne ke ntse ke mitsi but kana mo phaphela tsatsi le leng ka wa itse keng arvaye o betha something eta
yeah
wa e bona hona da go ka se go mshongo ne ke sa nna mshongo
yeah
so vele he re fitla go studio ke mmoditse re a bolele bjang wa bona she's not an artist so
yes
ne tshwantse ke mo direct ke mmotse re bolela so
yeah
yena o bona na le voice e good like
ke utlwile mo ena shiyo mona
ene wa itse dilo tse dingwe ke re dira re show radio
dilo etsang ono etsa fela
so le nna ke maketse die voice catchitse wa utlwisisa batho ba e rata ke dilo nyana tse bja
ke short le na mo leng o proud yo
botlhoko a itse le go sgela ke show wa ba botsa hore a bo mo ke
nna mo o sa le ngwana sekolo
e sa le ngwana mara ka ro feditse because I think ke khalenya
ne all right mechomi Animan ke a mmona mara ke nyaka le wa bona lela hore o tsena ko re ka bona o tsena kae o tsena ko airport for instance ibile airport le yona ka e bona wa itse airport re tlwela man ke re o tsena kae ke mo kae mo bonya ka ndi ID re ko bankeng o tsena ko bankeng motho o tsana Animan kopela picture ha o nra ka tso ka ntlhela ke re mara o jika so a tse picture ha fetsa fela o fetsa re Animan ha fetsa fela o kopela ID because machine ya hae e nyaka lela le leng lela la go paseng la go green bookung lela so la go green bookung jo ke mang before Animan
ke Ernest Zwane
Animan Ernest we
wa utlwisisa
we e bana So let's go back. I read from you growing up. How did you grow up? And then your music because now I know few stories. I know where with her from time. But you growing up, how did you?
Ke belegilwe Mpumalanga.
Yeah.
Kwa Lukedlane site la ufeta bo Nelspruit.
Yeah.
So ka tla ko mo Pitori.
Yeah.
Ke sa le ntwane nyane ke tlotsena Sgela yi.
Okay. Yeah.
So ke ntse ke hola ke lesitse hona yi. I knew this thing of music teng mo mading because of I think from ko primary. Ne ke le motho wa rato kokota di desk ne ke ba rasetsa. Yeah. So nona le I think ka grade 7. Yeah, nona le festival le leng ko backseat ne ke rata go morago.
Yeah.
Wa itse ke space la sa magotsomela.
Yeah,
so nona le festival le leng ha o le betha so le ntsha bass.
Yeah.
So ne khono bula mosako ka Dautes wa bona. Ke betha le festival lela ka mo ke kokota desk la ka rona. Yeah. Kore the moment nga thomo ira that thing. Bana ba le batla le bana ba di class
leading ba utlwa direng ba
tsena ka da go ba monate bo majaifane mola so wa bona this thing e tlhaile mo mading. Yeah,
azanga tsena mathate mara
no yona
no phela ko office
yona ne ntse ntsha jive because ne re khono irang re tlhaka ntshe like Sgela o utlwisisa. Yeah ene ne ke le nona lana brafan me o etha meropa. So ne kore ne re phela re le busy kore batho ba mashata one way. Utlwisisa.
Yeah.
So ne re tlhaka ntsha Sgela blind so le high school le ke fitla da go assembly.
Yeah.
Ne re betha meropa gore ne re ira go be
monate.
Yeah. So he ke ntse ke growa ka tlhana le manyora go ka si mapara jazz.
Oh yeah. Mapara jazz ka bona ya.
Skara. Okwisisa le bo men malaya. So ne se bona fela ke itse hanche ke ya go studio sa bona ke tsena. Ke ra ile smart.
Yeah, hotel.
Petro go dikhafoso.
Yeah,
by that time next so it's a producer. Yeah, ne ke no ba le interest fela hore
bana
ira lang so. Wa bona. Sharpo ka thomo gainer that thing or you know what I have to do it. Something ke ready there.
Yeah.
Wa bona.
Yeah.
Sharpo anyway a ka ruta ke motho producer. O tlisisa. Ne ke level fela ne ke observe.
So o ntse mo la o bizwa pressa wena o ntse mo o korotse fela.
Yeah, ke lebelletse fela re
o tsang eng bang bana
wa utlwisisa. So he ke lena Fruity Loops ne ke lena go mfana mong ba re ke Msolamen ne ile a choose fun me.
Yeah.
Ka dina o tsela o itse re di computer ne re di sokolla bona. So that guy ke na nana di access tsa di computer di watwa.
Yeah.
So ne ke phela ke le ko ena da ke khotla no ho le monate. Yeah, ke ntse ke ithuta mola ene ke thomile ke producer hip hop.
Wa
bona.
Before di bakali thomile ka hip hop.
Yeah, ka hip hop straight. Yeah, so le di elements ne ke di bona go Diamonds bo mapara jazz ke ile go studio tsa bona ne ke bona down ona le katare ngwe katare ke e mo Bakhadi ke a Bakhadi azanga utlwa anywhere else.
Yeah.
So dai Bakhadi bargeng dai katara ne ke nya ka botlhoko. So I want to get like a salana di katara mo. Yeah. So dai element hegis no ikeria.
Yeah.
La mathomo ne ke sample fela ke no ikwa mo pineng ke khate ke ire dilo tsaka it sounded nice. So ke tse ke sno ikira fela ha ke mo ile reng game thomile mo teng. Yeah ka thomo setla ka taraila. Yeah, this name the guitar le tlhada.
Yeah, because ke na no re manong element the guitar itlaga. Yeah.
No this is. Yeah, I get these elements tsa di katara so I can play guitar but I get perfect ka yona bona.
Mara mo neng seng ela mo.
Yeah,
mo screen mo beta go
tlhokwa. Yeah, ke mo ke setlang mo teng. And I nka e betha ka tselengwe lengwe. Nka e dlala wa utlwa ka re ke tletse live like. So yeah. Ke mo lebitso le la the guitar le tlang mo teng and my father he's a guitarist. So,
yeah.
Yeah, imo madi imo blood.
So now for you ro sentse banong o gena witse ya obviously go bana le bona tsana go studio ngwa ithuta gore bona ra bana ngile ngere ke etsa professional ke release le music go go dile bya
la mathomo no tla majita go high wa bona
tla
majita bo especially ba Mamelodi bo Mutsi bo and then le go ka si bo Nuki bo DJ Dikapa
o ka Nuki
o teng so Diamonds ha batla go nna ne ba tsia music nna ne ke no ira fela music for like ke ntwe ke ira
for fun nje
so ha batla go nna da ba tsia music ba rekisetsana bona like ba rekisetsa di DJ so now I didn't have that knowledge or getting strategy to buy some music na ne ke no ira music fela for re jive re utlwe monate can't the Diamonds ba mo business
whether we
ke judge why can't mara in a way that thing in promote because of bona ha ba rekisetsana music it means ba o dlala
and ba o dlala go itse ba no man o ditse ke mama
cause ke re rato berekisa di voice over so ke ni mene ba fetwing mo so le motho ile reng a o itse mara lebitso
o nna ntsa lutlwa
why bona so ka tsia ke ana Barafan me ba re ke purpose ke
purpose ka mona
sa le teng mo lefatsheng so that guy sale ka former group le ena ra re Born to Rock o ka utlwile ona le dipina tse ding tsa khale ke Born to Rock music production so re thomile that then le Tumza Dikota no mo piano nga ere Tumza Dikota o bereka le bodino
ke mona
ne lo arena le and then le mfano mongwe ba re ke TK wa le lo bong so ra pusha that movement that guy ke nang rutileng gore okay ho nya go rekisa music ke batho ba tshwantse ba kere ke bo mokete wa bona and especially go Mamelodi a so mara ga thoma that movement a thomo buy sa di disc by that time I think ne setse ke fetsa matric wa bona thomo buy sa di disc ne khono betha album mo ska be ke fela setse ke feditse ka album but as time goes on wa bona re le experience account ke khono betha album ka
2 days
so every week no na le ntwe ke rekisang and wa itse re na di DJ rato tshwara music like o ile reng o tshwere kwena o liwa so obviously batho ba mfounela jo o tletse o tlise senya ka ntwe mpya so ne re phela re le busy ke yona ntwe ile reng inkirile re ke survive le go jara teng cause wa itse di background tsa rena go malapeng a ile reng a nna
pina shapo
mara direct ya nruta se strata ya nruta o hasela till today na boroko bona tla robala re tshwere di million
shapo tsa R5 itse na sa robale le
na sa gitle dai Barafan
ne ke bolela ka ena ba ne bile e fitlhelele mo eleng gore batho ba baya ke sure ba bang a ba itse gore dipina tse baya tsa R5 di produce tse go ena di editse go ena pila most ya dipina le tsene di shiana too much go ena da
ba bantšha ba
itse batho ba baya
so Diamond ke spanele ena ke dipina tse baya re thomile ka bo Tabela
ithomile go sana le bo phindiwa
cause re thoma ka that track ke ba kreile ba le ko Mapentane na Mapentane ke na lo metela fela so ke fitla go studio ke ra manyora vele ba teng R5 phindi maphendula ba rene re na le pinashi jumpela modima yona re bona re ka e bereka bjang so ra e betha e fetsa ra betha le pinengwe from there ka thomo ba too much connected le R5 wa bona ke hantse ya rene mfana ke nyaka o tle Mabopane wa bona o violent na o khono bona dindao ene batho ba o itse ba itse le bitso le ene mene mara
ba o itse wena
la mathoma ntse ra tsena ka mo Mabopane ka mo ko di socialeng wa itse
azanga o isa go mbare ko majengeni tse nna le teng khale majengeni
bila o ka re ke ko
ka opola
wa yo nkentsha ka da asno nkentsha ka da like na le this thing ya gore motho famous ana nne ke se
no se da
gitse ke fitla da ke bone batho ba nlebella bang ba re ke ena ba sana da so ke ntse ke lebeletse re can't do irala bana ra jo ba witsi bona jo lona e ba active engage le batho tse di picture do something nna ke ntse mo la itse ke te ratela mbombo
du nnetse that's why
lo mola ka tenwela ai ka thomo bona batho like hona le that thing man wa bona ra batho ba nchekile jo ba nchekile ba bang ba re tla tse di picture itse re kana go a ka ja pila bona a ka para pila ra peretsela tsa ora man ke a go R5 ba tse di picture get da so ke mo ke thomile go bona okay wa itse ke excited ke na le fan base wa bona nne ke itse Mamelodi fela mara ka re side Soshanguve Maopane ke na le fan base and then ke ntse ke tsamalena like I gained momentum wa bona ka thomo le nna ke kra di bookings because nna ne ke se da mo di bookings ke textsa fela di disk re ira di USB di wa bona so ka thomo giga ka ba monate and then there was a time mo loring a gerwa itse rena rira di pina reno ira and then mapara bo mutsi ba ira di mixtape ra irile mixtape ke hege betha da ipina ya tsenyane ne beat fela ke irile ka no so mutsa itse ntsha ka mara mixtape a tsentsha R5 module so I bona re itlhaile from mo mixtaping
ne shingi bipina
so ha irile mixtape ka mkhola batho ba ikhata da ipina ba te khatela ke mo ile re ntse fatshe la R5 ra mara dipina jo wa bona re trenda bya wa ire sa I record
e be pina street singile street lo one
ba ns vare ke re ra joint venture le mothusi ra thoma ra tsena mo Tribal Records pusha ra release da pina bona it was a big song ya ba pina ya ba monate and then wa shootwa di video wa utlwisisa so from there re rile di project tse baya ke mo ke thomile nga ntsha the legacy EP ya mathomo wa bona and then le R5 a drop album le Pindi a drop di singele wa so no le busy le monate so ke movement wa rena
and after tsenyane kana le betleng
ke change
baby ke change
ke tse baya I want and before we rather that accident no ne re le mo processing ya ne re le busy ka pina engwe ya renal 25k
pina o itse ke utlwile
it teng that song but I so release we
why is that so pina ya vaya ila
no tshwantse ke ovele mothusi re bona re ira bjang cause sale batho ba yemela like ne ba yemela ke ro bona he re ntse re le busy go studio re tse ya di content re ira so ba utlwile taste ya ipina but are so I release
jo I release na fatsilena le boleleng if possible le kana la I release ka birthday ya ha esikhanyana kre yazwakala birthday yae sure maybe kuba bile maybe utloetsa something maybe le release ka binele blaine
hayi botlhoko
ke utlwile nyana binela ya vaya binela jo
ka
25k mo di mabakadi
straight
mana ano ela le bolaile ela ke bere nka itse itse ke to mo itse ka jeno re ke le tsola ha oda
ke nna ke project pina tse baya so ke movement wa rena till today nali EP engwa hape the legacy EP King of Bacardi e teng mo social media
ke fenge etswileng no ore
etswile ka di 5 tsa December
ke yona na leng pina ore
7 foot remix and then le tse ding tsa Snogonogo le Joe Shirimane teng mola
fa ile bra Joda
ka remix le ya haile
Jackson ana no musajo wena muswasipana yong
wa pushing
so are bonela ka di challenges ne
tse
leng gore sintse thomile mo this industry o thulane le tsona ke di challenges tse bjang tse leng gore o tlhakane le tsona sintse thomile mo this entertainment industry especially mo Bacardi
the challenges ke tse banyana bona so re tlono highlight tse lo reng vele di common to everyone bona special taba tsa nyoko masheleng ching ke yona flop so after lockdown pila bona dilo tse baya di thomile ira la cause ne re story and pila ne re sa gigi pila wa bona so ho ba bima hore o face ba re keng o face industry ka mkho ho tshwanetseng because of financially
aware yes
you don't shoot videos you don't do contents I'll shoot I'll photo shoot this is not to zaga iteng e ba teng but ke re rapela
ena le mabaka
and then another thing what we know as an artist wa itse re tshwantse apare sharp
yes
and tshwantse apare sharp each and every day this is because of o phela mo matlong a batho for instance so ho tswa fela ho no tswa fela ka jarata someone is
o lebelletse yes
this is o nyago ni mene ka tshego jile so wa bona re because of finance auna zaka ho ba bima hore dilo tseo o di maintain this is mara life ra ipusha re na lebile re batho ba di a ke rate label find one
wa
bona a ke frostan mara re na lo tshosetsa mola le
mo lo renyana no
so re na re batho ba rata di branding wa bona
vel rata brand na jo rata
rata di branding ke bethile skipa mola sa SG Sebethe Happy a bona ke monate ya te representa ene ke proud ka yo so re batho ba beao but now dilo di tla di change as time goes on no ke signile le Maziane Records under Empire Africa so I bona re like ke di levels dilo di a change mola le mo
dilo di na mellano all right so now ke ka lo thomile mo this entertainment industry and obviously the challenges you mentioned the bile teng and then le no di sale teng bila pila
ke tse ba another thing affecting rena batho ba bantsho most of the time it's looking back where you come from to see sa di are delay ya di re betha ka nako ya nneteng nna I think gore a kenya go bala situation sa ka ke flopile or byang whatever iralang yam flopisa no because I care too much ka family yaka so some people they don't know they can say any manager mo leveleng a leng mo yona why as na want to why as na I can this is I can but I start where I come from
so toma go jarteng pele
go ara hola pila so tshwantse ke make sure
mola le mola
this is and then le bana ba go nna ba sa grow so ba need that thing
the support
wa butung kiretse 1 2 this is so
and ka mo you also building a house
ke a hantlu ka mo ene
o ka wa ha mansion lo yena dajo
I found me happen now is re as I gerato wa itse gerate a gerato re kere selo ke tla thoma mo ka tlamo if ke nyaka selo ka senyaka this is ne bang encourage le nna ba mpotsa ka mkho ba re jo wa o sa thomi ka 2 room nya
wa ba itse batho again
o tla extend so nna ke mothomo ya nna encourage gore a hantlo ke thoma from scratch ke namelelo
we face
ene ke a hantlo ke nyaka
sing for so long kali wena o inyaka ng street
this is so ke mothomo ya if ke nyaka something I rather maybe save money and then ke khono sira unlike ke re selo for so long ke rati di for so long so it's a big house yona ke ntlo kholo ya njimisa le no e bolela so ke a itse ra ke jima ke swetha blind
no mara at least you have something se leng gore sa o pusha mola bile setsa gore o spane too much you know and no I'm happy because ke jambile ke lebelletse ke a bona manora no o shapa ona le di events tse leng gore ke tsa hao e thomile ka ida because I know now ona le Sebethe Happy Records it's registered monate but you also do events tse di bethang ka mo morula sane ka mola every year ibile ka mo wa mbetha tse 2 I'm not sure e thomile ka ida
Sebethe Happy sa mathomo ke sebethile go Raymond ko White House ko Lotus wa bona so ke mo ke boning direct the impact or matla a Sebethe Happy this event man ena le that thing and besides re ka tsa taba line up private la go sighting the name on its own
inale weight inale matla yes
so cause ke ilikile mo la gare ke betha da event ewa sabofa like sabofa wa tlala bu serious and bona ne ke bethetse go phapo ke phapo so wa bona ke mo impontshitseng or you know what I have to take this to another level so thanks to Boipelo lebile ke nale re share sfane ke Boipelo Zwane so that guy ke nang khotlileng in fact nna ne ke sena matla wa bona ne ke sena matla gore nka tsa diving to the next step ke re go resotong this is a daytime event wa bona so that guy ke nang tsering are ne you know what nna ke tlhake betha di daytime event and le ena ona le crowd ya high so ra ne a re kopantshe this thing a re kopantshe ikono bantwe so gitse vele ke spana le na ra betha event a mathomo se bethe hape ko Morulasana ya ba successful ke se bethe hape le Fun Republic ke high
ma bola ka dio tšo mo tellenyana so
yes
mon ka mo jaja sa uti fan me da man mara story for another day
so ke spanele ena event a mathomo ya Sebete hape a bona ebile successful nna zanga tshepa ga okay sharp kora ore nna I was lazy all along and mara I needed someone
you needed someone obviously
so raizama hape la we two was successful I bona ra betha le ka mo West Park ra betha gore ne re ntse re dlala mo di plekeng but I know Gold Rush rena le supporting ka mo
no nna ke
bone ha bua bona tse di ka se ya itsorai armes wa bona ene ra ithabela that thing ya support because of you know you can't build something wa bona batho ba sa sthabele wa tswela pele ka sona so for us to continue re-push that thing obviously we need to see the numbers growing re bone batho ba re supporta ba irata ntwe re irang ene re tla re ira le diphoso tsa rena tsa gore maybe the artist di palle go picture so even though who bile le diphoso tseo but they still continue and
support you
so I wanna re ke ntwe le reng ya ahea
Plexum. So now you've been doing this for long, Joe, and then Bakadi anamelano nam hebore Bakadi ikra recognition and say e talk. Obana lega mo TV bia no nra dumbela because if you check mo TV Joe dominator bo piano hip hop ke a bona. But do dominator bo piano too much. Wa tlhalwanya so lona ba no ke a bona ra Bakadi shibe ba no ya dumbela e kry platform e tlhokang mo raideng. Mo TV. I want so wena no cause ka bona ntona tsenyana shididia tsena bo siya shi ba tsena you know hona le entongwe e long hore most but I would even say it thoma le ke difene or etsa le ke difene thata mo e long hore ntona nyane ya tsena they would wanna compare ntona nyane lwena mo e long hore they can encourage you guys to work together or maybe feature each other dilonyana tse bjao I understand that and then hoba le ba bang ba e long hore wa tsena no and then has not tsena no o feel o ka re no yena bja no because kona tsenang then o bigger than bo mamang competition ya hae ke bo mamang mo e leng gore tshwantse re bereke together lebella tira debene o etsa tira debene o itshwere so batho ba tla ba le khona spana le bona maphorisa o spana le le wena o spanele maphorisa re ka tsena mo yona you know o cheka ka mo Joburg ka mo bo skido ba spaniswa rona ka mo Pitori ho tletse competition e unnecessary mo Bakading and le bafana ba bang not ba botle ba bang ba he ba tsena ba banyane le bona ba tsena ka yona ntho ya competition mo e leng gore tshwantse go be le perekisano hape I understand that hore e bjang so a ke itse gore wena we bona bjang this challenge or maybe wena shingo we jumpela ere
yona ke jumpile but wa itse nna ke thabisa keng wa bona the more bafana ba grow
it
means we have now the bigger craft
I saw limited
le bo mang fela ke ntwe cool
whole
wa bona and then I can see mola le mola di teng di collaborations ba collaborate and stuff so I think something is changing nna ka mkhwe ke bona ngateng e bona ka re hona le di change
hona le direction
ba batlang a ba tshwane le ba khale a se politiki but nnete ke nnete batho ba rena ba khale ke bona ba iloreng ba re faith. I feel like ba re faith to push this thing because of when it comes to the teams tsa khale, team Bakadi, what this is azanga dia fitla to that level because of I mean here ke radio opportunities nna ke bona ke culture mapitori. I think maybe ke ona problem ya rena when we get opportunities re tswalelana go ntle wa bona ene re ntho wa o tsino tshwana no ke schema data man ke mfethu re create something movement d I ente so here is no yira once ba re tshepisa di wa bona pila e thoma mozakeng once ba re tshepisa 1212 o bona o ka re nthwela e ka ba monato ka e krea o liwa but if we just push the movement and we share equally or rabale agreement or what are we going to do next got this movement ra thusana from there and we even came le ka di ideas tsa o call re contributed inyoko and then we create our own thing le R59 encourage ana go but wa bona re ne na le di polelo ka mogala o mongare nna ke ntsha tšhelete o ira o la re why tshwantse ke ire sona nna re na le bana 1 2 3 wa utlwisisa so re lekile too much that unity because of the polelo and I think or most of the time ba tla ntloya ka rato bolela bjao but go lwa basadi ka nna
hanchi go lwa basadi
rena banna ne ke rato ire example ya gore okay a ba tse room empty ba re tsentse re le banna bo data bo mapentane ro feletsa re ile pina wa utlwisisa mara ba tse ba
bo ngapana
wa utlwisisa ba tsentse pindi da ba tsentse neli ba tsentse jelly baby ba tsentse ngwa dada ba tsentse mang bo tswa ba sna pina ka da
tla be le dikhoha
wa utlwisisa bo tswa ba sna pina tla be le la gore mang na ni wa utlwisisa so mara rena banna yes we do fight sometimes but ha ba ka re tseya
ba ntsha mo mongwe one
ro tswa rena le di hit ta wa utlwisisa so ke ntwe ke jumpile ngore okay sharp why is this thing it teng mara most of the time ka mo di meding wa utlwisisa e ka mo di meding ka
eno itse bolela bjao ana sister na le iso ne re bolela ka yona raideng ke mmotsa gore why le basadi le sa frostanane bjana why le sa utlwahane ena bolela ntho simple jo boletse ntho one a re ra jale setsana re le basadi
wa utlwisisa
so he konor e bona le ke motho mosadi bile ba e bolele so ke flopo le dinto tse ding tse di unnecessary jo mo e leng gore batho they can work together by something go tswa ntho nngwe edese because re nya gore le basadi ba rona not basadi ba rona like batho ba bo mmeke be ba leng gore ba mo music industry especially mo Bakadi le bona ba yetse jo ba namelle wa tlhaloganya gore e bjang ba tlhahelle wa bo so flopo ke yona but yeah it really makes sense and go bolela ka change and growth le nna I'm happy you know but una le mo ke wisha gore le mo tsona dintwana tse nyane I know some of them na le ba leng gore o spanne le bona but I wish gore be le di collaborations nyana
tse bayanyana
tse bayanyana you know imagine ba bona mo pineng e one ba re ba lebella ke any man ke siya ke dada mene ke bo slide like wa tlhaloganya ba lebella ke pine one ke ka mo go leng gore check le bo tira ba etsa bjao le bo maphorisa
I think we have to do ntwela di studio camp the studio camp go tsona hantsi di tlhakantshang batho ba because we really are studio camp for maybe ka Friday everyone re check availability ke ro ba teng he ba le teng bo botle nako ka nako itseng ra khobokana so the studio camp di thusa ka eng we can camp 2 days or 3 days mo di ma 3 days ela we can come up with a lot of projects wa kira mo projecting e one ke ma parafela bo sia the big baller le snogonogo ba teng gore re tsentsha zwap ale so the only thing e loring e ka iro that thing e phumelle ke di studio camp because to invite someone but ba bang agere banal di personal agendas so for in case for instance maybe with a big baller big baller ga o tlhoka jo etla konna wa bona ke mbitsa konna He fetsa ke bitsa Snogonoko or ke bitsa someone else big baller a utlwane le ena or maybe ba tla shale someone ha tlo utlwa re ke bitse o la sa
tla because aba utlwane ena le ola
but studio camp you can even come le rona le Flopole because of a lebitse ke a le kopantshe ke artist
yes
this thing is like an organization
organization so
so I think yone ka bereka
Blacksem. All right. What can people expect from you? The project the event this year, I think we event la ko bulatsane e tlaneng.
Event e this month rena le Road to Sweat.
Kutlile ba mpotsa ka ngwe go skepeng go na le music video. Ape ba ntse ditaba ke ntse ka mo studio.
Yeah. Music video re sa le busy ka ona so fail but coming soon.
Okay.
6 foot 7 foot remix.
Yeah.
Tla teng re busy ka di visuals and then the event rena le Road to Sweat hape ka mo Soshanguve.
Okay.
Go ke Funky Inn.
Oh, Funky Inn,
yeah. Ke Road to Sweat hape and then I'll just I'll confirm the date.
Okay.
And then rena le Sweat hape event ya Sweat hape e re betang annually mongwaheng re betha ha 4.
Okay.
So this is the first one.
Okay.
E ka di 25 tsa April. Yeah, ka mo Mabopane.
Ko Morulasa.
Ko
Island
name Palm Island, yeah.
Okay.
Palm Island.
Yeah.
Yeah, re bethela ga da. So di tlo bo wa itsa re eme re shafela re.
Yeah, one way.
Yeah, so rena le di project tse re leng busy ka tsona, di collaborations di tlo ba teng tse baya le bile ngwa hona a re lo relax ha o bona. So far re berekile le Bramiso.
Okay.
Yeah, Bramiso na le project engwe e tlang re berekile.
Yeah.
And then le producer ya hae. Ke project a mathomo for this year and then le ba bang ba iloreng ba sa itla like bo Maphorisa. We can see we'll see who readjust dilo bjang but the collaborations di teng le bo Sly J santse ho sa ilo berekiwa
one way
wa yebo so le Sweta hape so bo ha fone this one le Samathomo go tlotla se singa September I think and then after September ke October or November somewhere there ke December
all right. The experience of working with Maphorisa, how was it for you?
No le monate ho monate spana le Daai Grootman le vele batho ba tlo mmolela ka
how you know batho vele ba tlo nna bantse ba bolela
na so far so good so far so good and personality ya hae nna ke yona wa itse batho re link up ka bo humbleness ka 1 2 3 ke tsona tse di kopantshang batho wa e bona so nna ke ratile personality ya hae before ka ya mo tabeng tsa span wa e bona so respond re pushitse and then Daai movement ya rena pila I can say re leboa bo Melvin Sleaze because of Daai wave ke bona ba establishitseng to be honest because of rena Bacardi ra fuse ka mkhorenya kang we can do just Bacardi ra house Bacardi ra ing but that one itlile ka bona I want to fuse Bacardi le mapiano
Blacksem
because of bathomile ka wirang ka o remixa pina yaka ya mathomo bara ba sno remixa so mara ba bona re this thing ya bereka man like ba irata batho from there ba tla le di ideas le bile this idea le ka Maphorisa rene you know what, let's drop an album ya Bacardi ke ya khubukantsa Bacardi le piano una album e re dropileng ena le bo Xmas in July ona lo e bona mo social media so that album ke yona e rileng hore dipina tse di utlwale mo di trendy se Daai wave so ke mo re thumileng re betha le bo telenovela le bo Coca ra betha bo dlala ka yona so ke movement and a ke re fella hona mo re mutlile Maphorisa re yena o ira direct o ira afro no but I sorry so mara wave
it's a tswela pele no dia utlwahala man dia utlwahala mechomi bang wa itse go utlwile from ko mathomo re ntse re bolela go fihla ko the end azange ka utlwa re sele wa ba le girlfriend nyana azange ka utlwa gore
yeah
wa jola metsho
ha ke jole ha ke jole ke na le mosadi yeah ke na le mosadi. Let me put it this way,
le ngwana
yeah ke na le mosadi ke na le ngwana. Let me put it this way,
yeah
ke na le family ke no e bia so
yeah
wa bona
ana fru ya opela jo
yeah ke artist le ena
yeah
so ya re tlharelo re pusha ke Queen La Fresh
yeah ba mitsi mo pinela ka re pinela e pinela we bolaile le yena ka re pinela
ke boss
yeah
ona le boss ke tse banyana le ena o yeah salary lizanyana
yeah
ba
do sa music le no
wa etsa but ha ke right dilo tsa life fela do disturb mola le mola
but ka mo obvious fantsa tlhogomele le lapa o se wana staff ya di yana tse bya
but
yena lo go strategi
yena she's an artist ne
yeah
her interest ke gospel music, soulful, like wa mutwa la opela.
Oh yeah no ke vocalist bila
yeah so now I'm the one who will ring motsere ka rene dumbela
ka mara bakadi yeah
re bona re ka twista eng ra irang so yeah I bola.
No, I'm happy, Mitchell, because for us men, it's important to have a supporting structure, you know, be it Batswadi, media how, Musaria how. I understand that, because on almong, wa feel or eskimele hile man, can chop offload. O fika mo not more offload. O kono utwela, o kono advice, and alone o kono utwele pelo progress. So I tell you, Mitchell. Anything along before I let you go, and your last words to your fans and the viewers.
Now I think Karatore, we always preach. Now let's work, let's not relax, and let's work as a team. Who jealous at this thing you're never relying more industry. Now I always like when I talk, some people take it to compare or maybe try who kawan sabat.
Oh yeah.
Mara, I'm not doing that. I'm building.
Yes.
I'm motivating people who they must do more.
They must do more. They must grow. Yes.
Yeah. Why increases of course. Yeah. Doing more meaning chancery re-ready lo ring ne di sa khona hale. Now that is why I know. I can say, hona le mo gigileng mo teng. A hona lo mo wa bakadisa la gigada. Wow, this is it's because of I don't just relax and say ke emetse booking.
Yes,
I do something. Say lo nka o san story someone out there and recognize it. Why because of yes, we trying a lot to reach. Mara kana kwa you plant, harvest, and then eat.
I don't know Javela. I don't know Tomagauja, yeah. And then who's no plant no face or yeah.
So, can train example with our bio industry. Are very gay. That is why Batwa never any menu mukira 2000, any menu mukira. They didn't know her Nagira.
Abatalo Hanyo na weta.
So Kajo go bona mutaba viral or aba Hegira Pina. I don't sweat for Pina even.
Yes.
Well, this is wa magala or why. Now I created that thing. And then with the support, yes, your management and stuff, but on my own, I create that thing because of to be busy. Kana kwang, huira horba twasa olebala braga. Na.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ke kono ira pine one.
Yeah.
Last 6 months. Kasi release anything.
Was release anything? Yes.
Mara the name will always be there.
Yeah.
Why thalwa? So ke ntwe ke zamang we bontsha batho. You know what? Just be busy. Na ke rata re ke eme ke re ke emetse booking or ke emetse eng. Ke rata fokusa.
Yeah.
I get we eat ka industry so make sure o be thama side o.
And all right because okay for instance skills bubiana ke re no bare ba nyaga maybe ke tlemisia event ya bona ke re no na ke charge 5000 ba re bolisana ke re no ai a no ra bolisana ke nyaga 5000 na kweo ka mopotleng any man le 50 rand abo 50 rand ke na yo why don't I swallow my pride? Yes ke zake ke charger but okay fine now tiaka or sister a re boledisane he o re nna ke re bona nna ke charge bokana so wena o llela ko kae a re boledisana re fitlha le melong re ra utlwana yona re utlwaneng ka yona ke tsang ka itsia a ke na 50 rand ke di 50 rand tse kae mo ra yona e leng gore tla ba mfile yona le lo ramfa 5k ya I understand or ebang so sometimes especially if lori there's so many things that you still doing and then let the brand e hodile but you still growing it because onyako stay relevant for a very long time you negotiate and I always do that ke ba romela data ga di price ke tsa fela ke reng but nna lona a re boledisane if le gore maybe price go lebeletse mo ya o baisanyana let's talk a ruto gore wena o re a ke re ya a shiwe price and then ke tswa mo ena o mesa business e bya let's talk a re bontshana I understand gore bya metso
and a o compromise ko di plekeng tsotso
yes hey
ba utlisi so na le di pleke tse o bonang gore mo I need to compromise
marona le tsedi
to be there
yes
ke bolelang ke re na di pleke tse ba tse ke di tletseng ba ntse ba re 2000 I was creating something no I not nka itsia 2000 I want ke bolela I not nka itsia because of the brand now is big
yes it's big
ba utlwisisa
yes
but by that time ne ke itsia and ne ke lebella gore ke pleke
feng
sometimes o hana booking or o hane zaka e ba o fanya no re kenyana mara azanga wa dlala
ka da
o utlwisisa o hanela go ka o no tsia dai 2000 wa ilo shaya you create another fan base wa utlwisisa for an example na kale ke ditsena di gig tsa Jozi wa bona and tsa Jozi they take at each and every artist
serious
wa bona le lore mo ba ropa ba ofisa ka ha o feletse but whatever se ba o fang sona na I can't say no because of ke any man abang ke itse
ba o itse da o nyaka re ba o itse pila da
so ke ya le ba ka re 2000 or ba re 3000 any man re tshwere ashi tsena ke Makubenjalo I did play ko Makubenjalo
wa
so ke ya da o tlisisa ke tsena da bo moloko ke tletse ke Manlane who knew gore Bakhadi
ka dumbela ka asemalema
abanya ke dlale anything else besides
Bakhadi yes
because of the moment bambukela yona bampia le time slot saka ba se ya go bofelo wa utlwisisa ba tsene di artist ding tsa piano ba tsene he ko tsena da you can see hore that thing ya tlhokeya wa bona because of ke tsena fela go a change like o bona le di waitress tsela ba bina mo di mali tsa fola ba irang because of they now enjoy this thing because of I think bra go ikira kae ngono bugere na mapitoro ro ikere
I always tell people this ne hore wa bona a ke hane piano 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 ya beta ne ba tlo ile tsa ka re motho a bina ya left and right answer phone a shoot whoever is playing ejo nako ke nyane ya hore ho letsa ba be busy ba ne ba shootana lo wena ka mona ka Bakhadi wa bona re game ya change ho tswa piano no ho tsena wa Bakhadi wa bona game ya change gore batho ba bina go ya kwa le kwa gore wa tlaka
and then I prefer it that way kana go tse ding ke ra batho ba nyama moya hore he ke tsene o ka ra utlwale no na I don't want people to take pictures or like he ke letsa ba le di phone I'm not here hore le lebelle a ke perform a ke re so ke nya go ba bine nna kwa ka go binisa batho mara yes they can do it because of I get it no like a brand this fatlo sa bolela so e ke fitla obviously that 30 seconds ya mathomo go tlo ba le that shooting like batho ba interested hore ba o shoot because of ba bona ne ba o emetse so they gonna take content ba shoot but I know after 60 seconds ke movement e fela
gone
kwa jaifiwa yana ke maketse last ne ke letsa go scheme sa me ko Phedli sharp ra dlala ka mkhore dlalang normally ke tsena fela ba uisa ntwela chipengwe ya tente yawa
bobi
ya wela mo fa so wa bona re mne man ka rona le possession o ke drug hona le something man ene na hana ka pina mathomo ya bobedi ne setse le kona ke bona di tlhofela bona so ke ntwelo re nna ka irata re batho ba bine nna tsa hore any mene re nya go bona o irang that is why I don't want to I can do it if I want to ke bine ke entertain batho ba o bina ke reng but that's not my style nna ke nya go binisa batho
batho No, Mechomi, no, thank you so much for coming, man. Keep on pushing, Mechomi. Keep on releasing the hits. Yeah, Bakadia ina mele to the next level. International, so keep on pushing, and may God bless you. May He open even more bigger doors for you, Mechomi. Keep on pushing. Social media, social media.
Yeah, mo social media hanche akira to bolela di handles because of yeah, dia difaranya.
Okay,
so ke no rata ba search any man.
Yeah,
even my accounts ne di le verified, so no ka re ke changeitse some of my details. Yeah, no, for no ba sa stopile nyana, but most of the time aba ka check I verified the account tsaka. So ba no search fela any man the guitar.
Yeah,
ke tlhaela go di.
Yeah. I don't know why fella any man the guitar. No, thank you so much, Mechomi, for coming. Scamto Podcast brought to you by Sly J Next Multimedia, where quality meets creativity. I always tell you this. This is just the beginning. This is Scamto. Rebatlisa one way. Hopola, korata blind, but remember, Modimo, or Rata Fetagatil and Agorata and Gayon. Till we meet again next time. Chovicho.